Browntree Retail Private Limited was founded in 2009 by two young entrepreneurs, Mr. Dinesh Kumar and Mr. Abhinandan. Armed with decades of retail experience and a mission to provide nourishing alternatives to the unhealthy food culture of city denizens, the duo started these health stores. Having set up 15 stores in the last 4 years, Browntree is looking for expansion to every major city and town in India.
Browntree has begun in 4 years ago, in 2009. We started basically with the motive that we want to provide health food to customers. Lighting is basically very important for the brightness of the store, the appeal of the store. The color of the light for food is very important, because for food we need to have a very bright white light. There's no second thought to it. I was looking to cut down my electricity bills because it was taking a big toll, because I have fridges, I have systems, and I have these lights. So I just started looking at ways to how to cut these electricity bills, and I had come across Philips.
As one of the biggest retail chains in F&B sector, we approached Browntree for replacing the existing CFL downlighters with our LED downlighters.
We found Browntree a very unique place where they sell a lot of food products, frozen and unfrozen and semi-frozen items. So we as a team worked out on a solution with a product called Green LED, and we found out that the energy saving was around 50% if we could have given the Green LED solution. We took a pilot store where we did all the offline work. We did that, fixed it up, called the directors of the Browntree. They had a visit of the store. In fact, they were amazed because the lighting output what they've seen in their older store was not that great when compared to the new product what Green LED has given.
To work with the team, I think it was very comfortable. They had assisted me in what is the requirement for a particular store, the specs of the entire thing. We would share the drawing with them, and they would suggest that 50 lights is more than enough, and we just put about 45 lights. So they would give me suggestions on those fronts as well. The LED has got a lot of brightness compared to my earlier CFLs, and the number of lights that I put for a LED when I have to go for a new store planning, that it's much lesser, and the electricity cost, I'm saving a lot of electricity cost compared to what CFL was used to give me the consumption levels. The customer experience it's more appealing for them. It's very inviting for the customers to walk in, and it's not that hard on them. CFL bulbs generate a lot of heat. This is very soft on them, and this helps the customer to buy with ease without any hassles. Yes, I think LED is the next step. I think the biggest step that you could take in terms of electricity consumption and in terms of the green that we are opting for. So I think that is a big message that we could share across each other with the LED lighting.